This is a little menu program that is going to display hi in different languages depending on which choice they make in the menu. And there's just a lot of lines here that we need to fill in. If we take a look, we're going to display the menu, which is type 1 to say hi in Italian, type 2 to say hi in French, and 3 to quit. So all we're going to do is just fill those lines of code in here. Actually, I'm just going to copy those 2 lines, and we're going to say type 2 to say hi in French, and then type 3 to quit. So that should be the 3 print statements that does those 3 boxes. And then we're going to ask the user enter your choice. So we'll need an input here. Input, enter your choice, this, and we are going to put that into, say, just a variable called C for now. And then that will do that box. We're then going to use a couple of if statements to check what the answer was. So we have the if statements laid out for us here. So we're just going to go if C is equal to 1, so that will handle saying hi in Italian with his ciao. And then you notice the flowchart is telling us to go back to our menu and go again. So we will need a go to statement here, and we'll need to go to a label which will be positioned right above the menu. So I'm going to put a label in here. I'm just going to call this maybe just menu, and then we can go to the menu at this point, like that. Now the next line of code is saying was the answer 2, so that will be, actually I'm just going to copy these 3 lines of code, make it easier. That will be 2, and we're going to display bonjour in French, and we're going to go back to the menu there as well. Now if we get to choice is 3, that's going to end, so we're going to quit there. So otherwise, if we get down to here, we know it wasn't 1, 2, or 3, so this must be an invalid choice. We're going to display invalid choice, try again. And at this point, we are going to go to the menu, just like that. So if we run this very quickly and check it out, we get a syntax error. What is going on here? What have I done? Oh, I need double equals. How careless of me. And that is a very common mistake that people make. So let's try that again. Hi in Italian by entering 1, ciao, 2 to say hi in French, bonjour, 3 to quit. Okay, oh, what happened here? Oh, it's not choice. That should be C as well. A little careless of me lately. So, 3 to quit. There we go. That's our program quitting. If we type in anything else, like say 5, it should say invalid choice, try again, and then we go back up to our menu. We're handling now all 3 valid choices and then an invalid choice as well.